Well, we have made it to Croatia. I don't think I vlogged since we've been here because we've just kind of been like traveling, but we are now in Paklenica, Stari Grad, which is like kind of on the northwestern coast of Croatia. So we're in the national park right now and we're just on a hike and it's beautiful. It's not too hot, but like I'm already sweating because we're walking. But yeah, we've got this nice stream that we're following. The mountains are now behind the trees. We're going on like, I think like a 2 hour up, 2 hour down, so probably gonna be exhausted when I'm done. But it's a gorgeous day. We're hoping it doesn't rain. And we're staying in like a trailer park and it's gorgeous. Like our trailer is like what, like 10 meters from the Adriatic Sea. It's great. So we've got like our own little space. We got like 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a couch and a kitchen. And then yeah, we kind of went swimming yesterday. It was a little bit chilly, but we're probably gonna need to go swimming after this because we'll be so sweaty. But it's just so beautiful. So the scenery here, especially this little stream, reminds me very much of Rock Glen back home. So I'm getting lots of like nostalgia, and I seem to have lost my friend somewhere back there. But I actually come home a week because it's Friday and my flight's home next Saturday, so it's very, very soon. I'm excited to see you all. But I'm gonna keep enjoying Croatia until I have to go home. I just got an amazing view. I'm very out of breath because it's very steep, but I think it's worth it. We're almost at the end now, but then that just means we have to walk all the way back down. So we've now left Paklenica, Stari Grad in the national park. We got a bus this morning back to Zadar. We're here for 2 nights. And Croatia just continues to impress me with its beauty. Like, look at this. We've got the sea here. We've got some solar panels or something. And I've seen a lot of people sharing on Facebook recently about this like musical organ in the ocean. Well, I'm actually at it. Like, it's in Zadar, so you can all be jealous because I'm gonna see it. And you just get to watch videos of it on Facebook. I haven't found it yet, but I'm working on it. We're gonna find it today. So you've seen the video on Facebook of the musical organ. Well, we're sitting on it right now. It's not doing anything musical. I think it might have to be high tide or something, but there's all these steps and there's just people chilling on it. But yeah, we're just hanging out on the musical organ in Croatia. So we have traveled from Zadar to Plitvice Lakes, which is another national park in Croatia. It's got tons of waterfalls and it is gorgeous. It's a little bit chilly and there's supposed to be thunderstorms in like 5 minutes, but I'm hoping they hold off. But it's just amazing. It's so pretty. Like, there's waterfalls everywhere. I feel like I'm in the rainforest. And the water is like so clear, you can see straight to the bottom. It's amazing. wanna swim. They're like walking on stairs up a waterfall.
I love the traffic jams created by people taking photos.
Yeah.
It's just so beautiful.
Yeah.
Scary?
So I did say I wanted to become a mountain woman in Fusen. Still want to do that, but I would also consider building myself a little cottage here. It's super, super pretty. The water looks clean enough to drink. And it's just like waterfalls everywhere.
Here's a waterfall, there's a waterfall for everyone. Waterfalls for everyone.
What a great tour guide I've got. And there's actually like a group here with a tour guide, but like, why do you need a tour guide here? The path is clearly delineated and it's just like, there's a waterfall, there's another waterfall. Look at it. Well, we got rained on, we survived it. We went all the way up to the top of the one side, took a bus back down, so now we're walking on the other side. But there's a way to get down to like the like bottom, like right by the water. We haven't quite figured out how, but that's what my mission is. But just hopefully the GoPro can see this. There's just like a giant waterfall over there. The water's like turquoise. It's just beautiful. It's just amazing. Well, despite nearly dying on the way down here because it has rained and we were going down like really steep rock stairs, we made it down to the waterfalls and I think it'll all be worth it. It's beautiful down here. We're right up close to them. And this spot was closed like last week because of like the water was too high, but so glad we get to see it. Just in case you forgot what Emma looked like.